Loving our hair as a personal prayer to empowerment. Third Eye Unicorn.
My higher self told me to protect my head at night, so I made these caps. And the caps serve to protect your head while you're sleeping. It could also be pulled over your eyes and your ears to protect you from light and from hearing anything. But it comes with salt that is mixed with rose essential oil and frankincense essential oil. The salt and the essential oils raise the frequency and also help to protect. It emits negative ions to protect against the positive ions from your phone. Once you sprinkle it into the hat, you just lift up the hat and you put it on your head. It protects your head. I also made a beeswax, olive oil, and Himalayan salt hair rosin, just like you rosin up a bow. So it has a minimal amount of oil, so it's not going to make your hair oily. But what it will do is it heals your hair with vitamin A, E, and K. It has a natural antibiotic, and it also helps to raise the frequency of your hair and to empower your hair with the strength of your hair with all natural products. So natural, it's edible. You could use it on your skin, you can use it on your face, you can put it actually anywhere. But it's also really great for your hair, so it's universal. This is a hair colorant, a temporary one. And this one is emerald, but it also glows emerald. And the idea of your hair glowing in the dark really helps to speak to your higher self that you are searching for personal power. So when you put that glowing green emerald powder on your hair, it gives you that idea of Emerald City, your heart chakra, glowing in the dark. It really helps to remember that your spirit glows. You know, it's like a physical prayer. It's something that you're trying to go forward in your life to become powerful, and you do this in a physical level. It really glows, and there's different colors. You can get pink or gold or whatever color, but it still, all of them just glow emerald. I also have some hair jewels. Now, these hair jewels are, like crystals and just stones and things, and this just speaks to your higher self that you care about your personal power and that you're going to do things to really make yourself more powerful. I also made some chocolate pudding hair gel. Now, this is like a lotion, and it's with aloe gel. There's no perfume, there's no alcohol, nothing. It's not going to dry your hair out, but it makes your hair smell like chocolate. It helps to color your hair a little bit, but it's almost like a hairspray because it does keep your hair nice and just in place, and it also smells like chocolate, and it has a little gold in it. I love this. It's one of my favorites. So I'm going to put everything in a kit. It does not come with the copper headdresses because those are more expensive because they're made with 24 karat gold. I will sell these separately, but I'll have the kit available on forestfairy.com.